today I've received a package, pretty excited about it. Oh, it's the Mini 3 Pro. I've waited a few weeks for this, which isn't actually that bad considering it was supposed to be getting delivered on the 25th of this month. I'm however still waiting for the flying mode kit, so we'll see how long it takes to get that. Oh yeah, let's see what's in the box. How do we open this? Nice wee green tag we've seen more often in packages. Oh yeah, God, it's tiny. Would you look at that? Oh. So I've got the Mavic 3, which is a beast, but this is ridiculously small. So we've got in here, and the RC remote control. Yeah, some props, screwdriver, C to C, some instructions. Let's get rid of the stuff that we're not interested in. So there we are. Let's get this opened up and have a look. So I've also got the RC Pro controller for the Mavic 3, which is dynamite. It's absolutely amazing. I'm really glad I got it, which is why I ended up getting this one for this Mini 3. I did ask DJI if the RC Pro was compatible with the Mini 3. They said it wasn't, but I'm pretty sure soon it will be. So let's open this up. I've seen on YouTube that the good thing is you can open these legs up any way you want, whereas with the Mavic 3 you've got to fold out a specific way. But this sounds incredibly light. And I should have probably got the Mavic 3 just to do a comparison of the size, but you've probably seen all that already. But that is pretty awesome. Let's have a look at this. Even the battery's mega light. So what we'll do is we'll get this charged, we'll get all the firmware updated, and we'll take it out for a flight. See you then.